Hello everyone, ang topic natin yun is about KCL na, no? Okay, so ano ibig sabihin ng KCL? Kirchhoff's double H tapos off, no? Off. Maraming nalilito sa spelling yan, no? Kirchhoff's, yung C natin is current law or L. Okay? Kirchhoff's current law. Okay, so tandaan nyo, Kirchhoff's current law, current yung pinag-uusapan. Okay, so huwag kayo malilito dyan. Current yung pinag-uusapan. So, ano yung ibig sabihin ng Kirchhoff's current law? Okay, so may mga sinusunod tayo dyan, no? So, the algebraic sum of the currents entering and leaving. Okay, so tandaan nyo. Of the current entering, so tatandaan nyo, entering and leaving okay, entering and leaving any point in a circuit must equal 0. Okay? Algebraic sum of the current entering and leaving any point in a circuit must equal to 0. Okay? So, yung isa is another way siya, no? Stated another way. Okay, so the algebraic sum of the currents into any point of the circuit must equal the algebraic sum of the currents out of that point. Okay, so again, the algebraic sum of the currents into any point of the circuit must equal the algebraic sum of the currents out of that point. Okay? So, anong ibig sabihin yan? So, nasa na yun? At any point. Okay? So, etong point na to. Drawing tayo ng circuit, para maintindihan natin. Meron kang circuit. Ito yung point mo. Okay? So, sabi is the algebraic sum. So, dito tayo muna mag-state, no? The algebraic sum of the current entering and leaving. So, itong node natin ito yung pinaka point natin, no? Node siya. Ito yung pinaka point natin, no? Any point na kung saan dyan enter, dyan papasok at lalabas yung current, ano? Entering and leaving. So, tatandaan nyo, entering and leaving. The algebraic sum of the currents into any point out of the circuit must equal to the algebraic sum of the currents out, no? Dito into, tapos out, dito out, no? Dito is entering and leaving. Okay, so into and out, tapos entering and leaving. So papasok at lalabas. Since ito yung source mo, tanda mo, ito yung source mo, andito yung flow ng current mo, papasok siya dito, lalabas siya dito, and lalabas din siya dito. Okay, based dito sa example natin. Yan, nakasabi, okay na tayo dun sa at any point, no? At any point, tapos entering and leaving. Okay, so ito yung papasok, ito yung mag-e-enter sa atin, ito yung leave, no? Ito yung leave. Now, ang sabi niya, algebraic sum of the currents entering and leaving in a circuit must equal 0. Okay, so dito naman is the algebraic sum of the currents into any point of the circuit must equal the algebraic sum of the current out of that point. So, ano ibig sabihin? Sabi niya dito tayo mag-base, no? The algebraic sum of the currents into, ay dito, yung enter niya, algebraic sum niya, kaya lang dito, algebraic sum is isa lang, no? Into any point of the circuit must equal to the algebraic sum out. Equal sa, tanda niya, must equal the algebraic sum of the currents out of that point. So, yung nag-leave natin dito is dalawa, no? Leave. Dito sa basic example natin, leave plus leave. Kaya nga algebraic sum algebraic sum. Algebraic sum. Enter. So, algebraic sum into at any point must equal sa algebraic sum naman ng nag-out. Okay? Enter and leave. Okay? So, ganun din ang tinutukoy niyan dito. Algebraic sum of the current entering and leaving any point in a circuit must equal to 0. So, dito, meron tayong i-consider dyan, na kung saan na all currents into a branch point as positive and all currents directed away from that point is negative. Okay, so kung ito kasi is diderive natin, pwede siyang enter minus leave is equal to 0. So, kaya, itong ginawa natin ngayon dito, papasok na siya dito. Sabi niya, algebraic sum, ito yon, algebraic sum nito mga to, of the current entering, so may enter tayo dito, tapos and leaving, ito yung leave natin, at any point, so again, at any point dito yon, in a circuit must equal to 0. Ito, must equal to 0. Okay, so yun ang pinaka tinutukoy ng ating Kirchhoff's current law. Okay? So, dito, sample natin, lagyan natin to R1, no? Tapos ito R2, tapos ito R3. So, again, kapag flow ng current sa R1, tinatawag natin yung I1. So, flow ng current sa R1, no? Pag flow ng current sa R2, tatawagin natin I2. No, kapag flow ng current sa R3, ito lagyan natin ng 4 kasi meron tayong isa pa dito. So, flow ng current sa R3, tatawagan natin yan na I3. Okay, so yung R4 natin, since kung mapapansin nyo, si R3 at saka si R4 ay series. So, ibig sabihin, kung ano yung flow ng current kay R3, flow din ng current kay R4. So, pwede nating R3, yung nag-flow ng current sa kanya is I3. Sa R4, yung nag-flow ng current sa kanya ay I4. Okay? I3 din. Kasi nga, series sila. Okay, so kung ano yung makukuha mong value sa R3 na current, yun na rin yung pinaka-current mo sa R4. Okay, ngayon, I1, I2, at saka I3. Palitan natin itong enter natin. No? Yung nagpumasok sa atin is I1. Yun yung enter natin drawing natin ulit. Ano? Ito yung point natin. Ito yung R1. Ito yung R2. Pagpasensya nyo na ano, yung aking sulat drawing pangit. Okay? So, ito may flow ng current dito. Lalabas dito at lalabas dito. Ito yung I1 natin. Ito yung I2 natin. Ito yung I3 natin. Yung nag-enter dyan is I1 is equal to yung nag-leave sa kanya ay I3. Nag-leave din sa kanya ay I2. Unahin natin si I2. Plus I2. Okay? Itong equation na to, nasa-satisfy na siya dito. The algebraic sum of the currents into any point, so ito yon, of the circuit must equal to the algebraic sum of the currents out of that point. So, ilan yung dito I3 to. Ilan yung nag-out? Dalawa. So, algebraic sum nung dalawa na yon, out siya of that point. So, I2 plus I3. Now, kapag dinerive natin yan, I1, so, ito na yung pag dinerive natin, ito na yan, lalabas niyan. So, yung enter natin is I1. Tapos, i-derive natin, ililipat natin sa kabila yung I2, magiging siyang negative I2. Yung I3, magiging siyang negative I3, which is equal to 0. Ngayon, itong equation na to, ay masasatisfy na siya dito. Dito, which is, ang sabi, algebraic sum of the current entering, so pinagsama, algebraic sum of the current entering and leaving. So, ito na yung, dito na yung entering and leaving natin, no? Entering and leaving at any point. So, again, at any point, ito yon, in a circuit must equal to 0. Must equal to 0. Okay, so, ibig sabihin, ito kasing the algebraic sum of the current entering and leaving at any point in a circuit must equal to 0. Or stated another way. Okay, so another way na isasabihin niya na pwede nating sabihin dito is another way is ito. The algebraic sum of the currents into any point of the circuit must equal the algebraic sum of the current out of that point. Yun na nga. The algebraic sum of the current into any point of the circuit must equal to the algebraic sum of the current out of that point. Okay, so I hope sana naintindihan niyo yung part na yun, ano. Okay, so may sinasabi pa dyan, ano, na consider all currents into a branch point as positive. Tandaan nyo, consider all currents into a branch point as positive and all currents directed away from that point as negative. Okay? So, ang sabi niya, i-consider na daw natin is as positive kapag papasok. No? And all currents directed away from the point as negative. Kung away naman siya is negative. Okay, so tama naman dito, no? Kapag ito positive kasi ito, no? Lahat ng current na point into do sa branch natin, do sa point sa node natin dito, i-consider natin yan as positive. Tapos, lahat naman ng lalabas, i-consider natin yan as negative. Okay. So, ganun din yung tinutukoy niya dito. Ito rin din yung tinutukoy niya. Okay? So, yun lang ang ibig sabihin ng Kirchhoff's current law, no? So, tatandaan nyo. I hope sana naintindihan nyo. Medyo magulo lang yung aking pagkakasulat, ano? So, yun. So, ito lang yung pinaka-topic natin sa KCL. Ano, kung meron kayong mga gustong itanong or hindi naintindihan po, pwede kayong mag-comment sa ating pinaka-comment section. And of course, kung meron akong na-miss na part po, pwede nyo pa rin i-comment, ano, para ma-check natin kung ano yung na-miss, kung ano yung dapat na itama natin. Okay? So, yan.